Why is my PayPal balance not showing? If you've ever wondered about this, stick around. We're going to explore 4 possible reasons and how to fix them. Reason number 1, account verification issues. If your PayPal account isn't fully verified, certain features, including your balance, might not show up. Make sure you've linked and confirmed your bank account or credit card. Here you can simply link your bank account. Now, to check your verification status, log into PayPal, go to your profile, and look for the verification section. If anything is pending, follow the prompts to complete it. Now, reason number 2 is technical glitches. Sometimes it's just a temporary issue with the PayPal website or app. If your balance isn't displaying, try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. If that doesn't work, check PayPal social media pages or status update to see if they're experiencing outages. Now, reason number 3 is currency settings. If you have multiple currencies in your PayPal account, your balance might be displayed in a different currency than you expect. This can be confusing. To check this, go to your wallet in your account and ensure you're viewing the correct currency. You can also convert currencies if needed. And finally, reason number 4, pending transactions. If you have recent transactions that are pending, they may affect your available balance. Check your activity to see feed to see if there are any pending payments or refunds. This can take a few days to process, so keep that in mind. And there you have it, 4 common reasons why your PayPal balance might not be showing and how to resolve them.